All right, so in order to determine solutions to equations with two variables, it's a lot like when we had only one variable in how we determined if something was a solution or not. Um, we would just plug in values. So for this example, you have the point 1, -2, remembering that 1 is x and 2 is y. You're going to take your equation, whatever format it's in, and you're going to plug in those values. When you plug in those values, you're going to simplify any operations that you can. So following order of operations, I have 6, -3, and -2 is +6. And you're just going to work the problem down to where you see, does it make a true statement or does it make a false statement? So this is a yes for this first point. And then -4, 1, again, x and y. Just be careful about where you're plugging in. So I'm going to simplify with any operations I can. And -27 is not equal to 12, so this would be no. So any points that are solutions are going to be ones that you plug in, x and y, and are going to make true statements. Those points visually, this would mean that this point is on the graph. On the line, this point would be not on the graph, just so you can connect that to the visual. Now, if we wanted to find ordered pairs, you could sit here and try different values. Basically, strategy would be pick a value for x. So I'm going to start with some easy values. Pick a value for x, plug it in for x, and then solve for whatever you have left for y. So 6 times 0 means x cancels out. I have 2y equals 10, divide by 2, and get that y equals 5. So one point is 0, 5, and just plug in values again for x. 6 times 1 plus 2y equals 10. Plug in values for x and continue to solve for y. So I'm not going to give you all 5 points because you can see the solving process each time. But continue to plug in points. You can plug in any values you like. There are an infinite number of points that would be solutions, that could be solutions. You just need to make sure that they're points that when you plug them back in, plug in 1 for x and 2 for y, that you end up making equals 10.